was gonna video you, and I didn't get a chance to even set up my camera. I think it went down right over there, baby. How'd you feel about it? Come here. Come here. I was gonna video you, and I didn't even get a chance. You were so quick. Put it on safe. Put it on safe. Put it on safe.
Yes, I got it. Good job.
Hey, what'd you just do?
I shot my first deer.
I was trying to get a video of you, and you were so fast, I didn't even get a chance to set up my camera. How'd you feel about the shot?
Good.
Tell me anything about this hunt.
It was great.
It was great?
Mm-hmm.
Did you stay awake the whole time?
Maybe.
Or did you just wake up 10 minutes ago?
I don't remember.
Did Daddy wake you up 10 minutes ago?
Yes.
That's right. Hey, I'm so excited for you. I love you, baby.
And you go.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Hey, tell me where it went.
It went that way.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
We gonna go get it?
Yeah.
Hey, Chesley.
Yeah.
Let's just go get the deer tomorrow.
Oh, no! No!
You ready to go?
Yeah.
I love you. I'm ready. Hey, you want to start at the feeder? Okay, I'll start at the feeder. Why are you so excited?
I can't myself see it.
You're running that way? You see any blood on the ground? I don't know. Look at that right there. Follow the blood. No, it's gonna go away. So,
Do you see it?
I see more blood. Right here. On the ground. I don't see the animal. But let's keep going. There's a lot of blood.
Yeah.
All right, Chesley, tag your deer. Chesley. Hey, your deer got up and ran off.
No.
He ran away.
How? You're chipping it.
Right into the basket.
Hello, I speak. Hello, I speak British. Hello, my name is John, and I speak English. Hello, hola.